Morning, guys. It's October 28th, 2020. So never got a call from a guy. I guess he's got a oil-fired boiler and he's got a tankless heater on it. He said the tempering valve was sticking, so he started whacking it with a screwdriver. Now it's leaking, the tempering valve. So it probably just needed a new cartridge on the tempering valve, and he's over there whacking it, hitting it with a screwdriver. And now the thing's leaking, so might be more. I might have to change the whole assembly now. Seeing he's over there beating on it with a flipping screwdriver handle. I mean, you can't make this shit up, you know? Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It's a little rainy today. It's a little rainy out, Miss Molly. It's a little rainy. Yeah, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. This one here?
Yeah. You put a little red mark. You said if you wanted it hotter, you gotta go that way. That's where it started leaking.
Where's the handle? Right there. This one's gotta be off. This one's gotta be off all the way.
All the time?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right. What I want you to do is go upstairs.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have to probably adjust this down here, this cold, and slow it down.
Yeah.
I want you to go turn the tub on hot and just turn it on.
The tub. Okay.
Just turn the tub on hot.
Stay up here or come back down.
Just go turn it. Just yeah. Stay up there. Just put it on. Put it on hot on the tub, okay? There's the hot going up, the tempering valve. What the fuck? He's got the thing way down, the dope. He's got the thing all the way down. No wonder why it's... He had it all the way on cold. Fucking idiot. It's coming nice and hot now. Wow, can't even touch it. It's flipping crazy hot. How's that? Is that too hot? That's hot, man. Is that hot enough for you? Is it hot enough for you?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Is it hot enough for you?
No.
What do you mean, no? Turn it on hot, not cold. What a flip. I want you to check the hot water, not the cold water.
That's what I do. I get the hot on.
Well, it's hot down here. It's not getting hot up there?
Yeah, now it's hot. Hot now. Now it's hot.
Yeah, that's really hot.
Now it's hot.
Well, that was an easy call. It's flipping hot. Yeehaw! Alright, what you did was you turned the tempering valve. You turned it the wrong way. You had it turned down the wrong way. I turned it up, the tempering valve.
Yeah, well, when I wasn't getting any hot water, before, that's what I touched. And then, see, I put tape there.
Don't seem to be leaking now.
Yeah, you think it's going to start?
No, if it's not leaking now, I'll leave it alone. Sometimes it get crusty. You know, if they leak a little bit, they'll get crusty and make up. I mean, next time you probably need to hit that thing with a 2x6.
What? No, I just capped it with a.
All right, so you're getting hot water, and that's good.
Yeah.
You know?
You think the furnace needs cleaning yet? Oh, if.
Yeah, we'll put a new nozzle. I'll get my kit. We'll put a new nozzle and check the oil flow. And
you know this green, is that, what's that? Is that from,
well, that's just from the flux. They didn't wipe the flux off when they did the job.
No, but I mean, it ain't from, what do you call, not iron, right?
What do you mean, from the well?
Yeah.
No, I don't think that's a problem. How's the dog?
Yeah, she's doing good.
Yeah.
She misses the wife. Well,
I got bit yesterday. A flipping dog bit me. All right.
my kids show me, but yeah.
Not much of a cook.
I never. The only time I cooked was outside in the grill.
Okay,
You know.
so now you gotta learn how to cook.
Yeah.
Either that or find another wife.
Yeah, right.
No?
Yeah. I was married 54 years. That was a long time. The only time we were ever separated is when she went to the hospital to have a baby. That was it.
Really?
We were together all the time. Yeah.
I got bit by a dog yesterday. Flipping dog.
What, your dog?
No, I was working at some lady's house.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Says, well, where's the dog? She says, oh, the dog's in the backyard. Don't worry about it. Well, I'm going out to my truck, and the thing comes running around the flipping house and bites me.
Holy shit.
That's what I said.
Wow.
Then I tell the flipping lady she can't catch the dog, won't listen to her. So then I
You
says,
couldn't have a dog then. Jesus.
it's not even her dog. It was her son's dog. Lives downstairs,
Oh,
and he's at work. So then the flipping dog comes at me a second time.
wow.
But I had a piece of pipe in my hand. I just missed his head by like about an inch. I would have smashed his flipping skull open. So then I call the dog officer and the police, make a report, right? Flipping unbelievable.
Yeah, some guy.
So then she says, you know, the dog doesn't have its shots. And I said, what the hell, lady? You got the flipping dogs biting at me. I mean, can't do that. Can't have people come in your house and let the dog attack them.
Yeah, I just took my dog.
See, there was two dogs. Her dog was friendly, so that dog came up to me. It wasn't a problem. It was the second dog that was behind them that attacked me. So it was kind of like, I really didn't see it coming. This is a little dirty there.
My little dog's so small, and they still charge me $89, almost $100 for a physical pet course.
Say that again?
$89 just for a physical, checking for heartworms and.
Yeah. So you think that was a lot of money?
Well, for a little dog, I mean, they didn't do a physical like checking for, anything else, tumors or cancer or anything like that. It was just.
Well, how much you think he should have charged? Like $20?
No, I thought it was gonna be like $60 or something,
50.
Yeah.
I think you're living in the 70s, guy. No?
Yeah, I don't know. No, I know nothing's cheap anymore. That's for damn sure.
No, nothing's cheap.
Right.
Everything's gone up, especially now with this covert shit. Makes it even worse.
Yeah, 'cause there's a lot of stuff. Because I make $200 too much on Social Security to get certain things,
Oh, you do? You make too much?
Yeah, I make $14.95. $14,095 a year. That's too much.
Too much for what?
If you wanted to get food stamps,
Oh, okay.
or if you wanted, like when I go to my doctor's, I pay, I think it's $25.
It's not easy being a fixed income.
No.
That's all you make all year is 12,000?
No, 14,000 a year.
That's not a lot of money.
Well, I used to get the wife when she was, but they took hers away. When she passed away, they took hers out.
How come?
Cause that's the highest one. You know?
So I thought you get two when somebody dies. That's not how it works.
You only get one.
That sucks.
Well, she was getting like.
So they took the lowest. They give you the highest one. They took the lowest one.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's how they do it.
So it kind of sucks for you because now she's not around and you're not getting the money.
Yeah, no kidding. So I had to do everything different. You know?
You gotta find yourself another stash.
Yeah, right.
No?
Well, my son, the house taxes, the house insurance.
Let's see what we got for oil flow here.
You know, the front.
Yeah, don't play around with it. You're making it worse. Oh, there's air in there. Did you run out of oil?
Nothing ran out of oil. When I called them up, I still had a half a tank. Oil ain't nothing now. I checked it all the time. So I called them up. And I don't let it get, people let it get down to a water.
Wow, so it's really low, huh?
Yeah, it went down. That's why I called. I said, whoa.
Yeah, we're getting draft there. That's good.
Anymore because it's.
All right, new nozzle, good oil flow, clean burner head. And we readjusted the hot water, but that's. Yeah, so don't play around with it. Leave it alone the way it is. You're gonna have plenty of hot water.
Turn it up some.